Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about mass transfer operation 2, mass transfer operation 1 in mass transfer operation 2 humidification operation part most important છે in previous lecture માં આપણે જોઈ ગયા હતા is a simple discussion part some chemical reactions na basis પર okay. So what is the part of the ion exchange and the some reactions part, some applications, rate of reaction, rate of ion exchange and part, okay, nature of adsorbents, okay. So now they start for introduction part. The operations considered in this chapter are concerned with the interface transfer of a mass and of energy which result when a gas is brought into the contact with a pure liquid in which it is essentially insoluble. While the term of the humidification part and some operations is used to characterize these in a general fashion. The purpose of such operations may include not only the humidification part of the gas but the dehumidification and cooling part of the gas. Okay. In this subject in the mass transfer operation 2 the humidification operations માં જોઈશું આપણે what is the humidifications, what is the dehumidifications. Okay, while the term the humidification operation is used to characterize this in a general fashion, the purpose of such operations may include not only the humidification of the gas but a dehumidification and a cooling of the gas, some measurement of its vapor content and cooling of the liquid as well, the matter transferred between the phases in such cases is the substance constituting the liquid phase which either vaporize or condense, as in all mass transfer problems. It is necessary for a complete understanding part of the operations to be familiar with the equilibrium characteristics of the system, and but since the mass transfer in this case will invariably be accompanied by a simultaneous transfer of heat energy as well as some consideration must also be given to the enthalpy characteristics of the some system is a part of the humidification operations. Okay, now just આપણે vapor liquid equilibrium and enthalpy for a pure substance માટે indicated above the substance undergoing interface transfer. In this operation is the material constituting the liquid phase with diffuse in the form of the vapor phases. The equilibrium vapor pressure characteristics of the liquid are therefore of importance. Vapor pressure कब જોઈએ? The average liquid exert an equilibrium pressure, the vapor pressure to an extent depending upon the temperature. When the vapor pressure of liquid are plotted against corresponding temperature, which is the curve, this one. Okay, vapor pressure of a pure liquid. Now substance na curve जो pressure versus temperature નો graph છે. Solid, liquid and gas 3 phase है પછી નીચે vapor 4 phase. Okay, જે curve ના બેઝ નું ડિસ્કશન હશે એ પ્રમાણે આપણે ડિસ્કશન કરીશું. Every liquid exert an equilibrium pressure, the vapor pressure to an extent depending upon the temperature. When the vapor pressure of a liquid are plotted against the corresponding temperature, a curve like TBDC 7.1. Which one curve is the TBDC? So TBDC, this curve. અહીંયાથી લઈને અહીંયા સુધી TBDC. TBDNC, this curve 7.1, and the result plotted the vapor pressure curve for each substance is unique, but each exhibits characteristics generally part similar to that it in a figure The curve separates two area of the plot representing respectively conditions where the substance exists wholly in the liquid state and wholly in the vapor state also. The conditions imposed upon the substances are in the liquid state area, such as the point A, the substance will be entirely liquid under the all conditions. In the lower area, such as those at point E, the substance is entirely a vapor at all conditions corresponding to the point on the curve. Which one is a TBDC? જે આપણે જોયું છે TBDC, this basis for this figure. Okay. Now liquid and vapor may be coexist in any proportions indefinitely. Liquid and vapor represented by the points on the vapor pressure curve are called as saturated liquid and the saturated vapor, respectively vapor or gas at a temperature above the corresponding to saturation is a term superheated. The vapor pressure curves has to adapt endpoints for T and C. Which one point is the T and C? This one endpoint T and C. And point T from which originate the curve LT and ST. Which one LT and ST जो ST અને LT આ બે કર્વ જોવા મળે છે આપણને. Separating the conditions for the solid state from those for the liquid and the vapor basis is the triple point. Okay, 3 point ભેગા થાય છે જુઓ. Okay, this is a triple point. And the which one again repeated, point T from which originate the curve LT and ST. Separating the conditions for the solid state from those for the liquid and vapor is the triple point at which all three state and aggregations may coexist. The point C is the critical point or state was coordinates are the critical pressure and a critical temperature. At the end critical point, these distinctions between the liquid and vapor phase disappears and all the properties of the liquid such as density, viscosity, refractive index and index are the identical these with those of the vapor. Those substance at a temperature above the critical is called gas and it will then not be liquefied regardless of how high a pressure may be imposed. Which distinction between the gas and vapors, however the points, this is the curve diagram. Okay, solid, liquid, gas and vapor ના બી temperature અને pressure નો graphic છે. Now is not always strictly adhered to the term gas. Is frequently used to designate merely a conditions relatively far removed from the vapor pressure curve and the temperature corresponding to each pressure on the curve is termed the boiling point of the liquid at the pressure in equations, and then the corresponding to standard atmosphere is known as the normal boiling point at the three number of boiling point in figure 7.1. This one जो show in a diagram. Then afterly fully explanation part again. Okay, in this figure 7.1 represent is figure is not always strictly adhered to and the turn. The gas is frequently used to designate merely a conditions relatively far removed from the vapor pressure curve. The temperature corresponding to each pressure on the curve is termed the boiling point of the liquid at the pressure in a questions, and that corresponding to one standard atmosphere in a particular is known as the normal boiling point. As at temperature normal boiling point in figure 7.1 જે આપણે already જોઈ ગયા છે. Whenever a process involves bringing a sample of fluid across the vapor pressure curve, such as the isobaric processes, which one curve is the ADE. जो कर्व में जुओ A, D અને E પોઈન્ટ્સ આવ્યા છે. Or the isothermal process ABF. ABF is a straight line. There will be a change of the phase. This will be accompanied by the evolution for condensation or absorption for vaporization curve of the latent heat of vaporization at consist temperature. For example, at point B or D in the processes mentioned above, the heat added or given up to the changing temperature is called sensible heat. Okay, for interpolation between data, this one first one is the which one theory? Vapor वाली theory છે जो ये आपने vapor pressure curve. And introduction part is above mentioned this humidification operation. Okay, for such a common liquid as water may be refrigerants part, and the other the vapor pressure temperature curve has been established at many points. For most liquid, however, only relatively basis the few data are available, so that it is necessary frequently basis to interpolate between the extrapolate beyond the measurement. The curve on a arithmetic coordinates figure 7.1 માં આપણે જોઈ ગયા છે is very inconvenient for this because of the curvature point, and some method of linearizing the curve is needed. Most of the common method stem from the Clausius-Clapeyron some equations, which relates the slope of the vapor pressure curve to the latent heat of vaporization. dP by dt is equal to lambda dash by T Vg minus VL. And this is not important, these questions, not is a figure, reference is plotted. એન્થાલ્પી આપણે બધું નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં જોઈશું ડિટેલમાં. ઓકે, સમ થિયરીના બેઝિસ પર. now the revision part જોઈશું આપણે. this one. Vapor pressure curve and a vapor liquid equilibrium and enthalpy for a pure substance, and indicate above this section part and undergoing the interface of mass transfer. In this operation is the material constituting the liquid phase which diffuses in the form of vapor. The equilibrium, vapor phase, vapor pressure characteristics of the liquid are therefore of impedance part. Okay, then vapor pressure curve જોઈએ આપણે. This is the main figure. Okay, thank you so much.